Okay, now going hand in hand with our business continuity planning, right, and our business impact analysis, we have to identify areas where there's no redundancy. Redundancy is key. It's very, very, very critical in nature when we're talking about tier one business critical applications. All right, if there's not a redundant system in place, that's an issue. All right, so things such as the power grid, UPS is in place, right? Backup generators, what have you. Data backups and recovery, just the entire data protection process, that needs to be in place and redundant. Communication channels, we need to have, if we're on, like, say, for instance, a storage area network, we need to have more than one fabric. Okay, we'll have two fabrics to fail over. IP networks on our LAN, we have multiple switches, right? We have redundant ways to get from point A to point B. Just in case something goes wrong, we can quickly reroute or go around that failing component and continue on. Revenue generating channels, such as payment processors, e-commerce websites, billing systems. All of these things should be redundant. Whether it's HA and it's a synchronous kind of dual write active-active system, or if it's an active-passive and more of a DR scenario, we need to have things in place that we can get back up and running as quickly as possible. And whether we have it be active-active, where we have basically complete redundancy, or if it's more of a kind of some systems are sitting on a shelf, it might take us a little while to rebuild those. That depends upon the nature of your business, and it's a business decision looking at how critical is it, how much does it cost if I'm down, and then as a business, need to individually kind of weigh those things to see, where you're going to identify or where you're going to allocate resources.